Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. So for today's vlog, we're going to cook. I will cook chicken cordon bleu. So it's a easy recipe. So what we need is chicken. I have a 4 pieces of chicken here, and cooked ham like that, and bread because I don't have uh, breadcrumbs, so I will make myself. Will make something. Egg, cheese. This is my cheese, magnolia cheese. So I cut it already with this kind of slice. Butter, magic syrup, flour, salt, and pepper. So that's all we need. So let's start to cook the chicken. Yeah. Okay, now it's already cut. Ciao. I'll show you the good one. This one. And now I need to use plastic and this. We put it inside. So we need to make it flat. So we need to pound this like that. Really that. So we need to pound this. You know, it's hard to speak English. So I'll try my best. I hope you understand me. Because maybe from the America, from the Netherlands, from the India, from anywhere they are watching, at least they understand a little bit. Okay? So as you can see, it's flat now. Charan! So it needs to be flat like this. Perfect. So we need to do the next one. Oops. Plastic break. Okay. Perfect. Now we will make a breadcrumbs using with toaster bread. I need this to make it hard. So I use the leftover. This is the leftover bread, brown bread, because I don't have breadcrumbs in the house. Out of stock. It's okay now. It's hard na. Right. But next is the chicken and the butter and salt and ham, cheese, and you need to roll over like that, and then perfect. I put it in the plastic, then I put in the ref for 30 minutes, then I start to cook. Because they have a butter, so it gets hard. So I don't need chopstick, toothpick, not a chopstick. I don't need a toothpick. This one will stay like this. And then we put some flour and breadcrumbs. It's easy. It's easy to cook. So I have here 4 already, and still more. Put in the ref. Wait lang. Ta-da! It's a lot. I put it this for about 10 minutes lang. 10 minutes, otherwise it gets frozen. So 10 minutes, I put it there. And then I will cook it. Okay, guys? this long na. We need to prepare everything. So, this is the breadcrumbs. Flour. For the flour, I put a little bit of this. It's only a little bit of this for make it better taste. And next, salt and pepper. Okay, and okay, so time to cook for now. Let's cook, guys. So we need oil. I have here all the chicken I made. But I will not gonna cook this all because it's too much for us. So I will make some. Okay. So oil. Then this one. Look, it's perfect. That's why I always put in the freezer before I cook it. And that this is hard. So I don't need to put toothpick. This is the flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Okay. And then breadcrumbs. It's so yummy. Perfect.
Ja, deze kan een abortus niet drinken. Ja. Nou, kijk eens, nou is het even. Ja, zout.
Okay. Okay. Look at the cheese. Oh. Ta-da! Perfect.
It's like in Roblox it has a game of 308.